Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Kodhi mbele ni duond bura mar PNU bende wuok oko mar siro ng'anyo ma Azimio chako odiochieng' makiny. PNU okwayo johera magi mondo mi obag ng'anyo mamuol ka gikwedo pek mar ngima.
PNU supports the desire of the Kenyan people to express themselves under the Constitution of Kenya, in terms of having meetings, in terms of organizing forums, in terms of picketing, in terms of demonstrating. Those rights are enshrined in our Constitution and cannot be denied us by anybody. And therefore, whatever is going to be happening in the next 3 days, in terms of the Kenyan people expressing themselves and showing their displeasure in terms of the way our economy is being run, that is of abandoning the citizens. PNU supports that. And we are asking citizens to come out in large numbers and demonstrate in their own way. You can even stand outside your gate and shout that you want the economy to be run better. You can use sufuria.
Moko kuom familia